Paths to Math supports teachers by saving their time when they are planning lessons according to the Common Core standards for mathematics. It is a collection of resources for teaching and learning available in one place containing differentiated, real-life, challenging problems, films, games, interactive tasks, and investigations. Organized into 10 independent modules, Paths to Math contains sufficient problems to assign homework and individual assessments. The material in Paths to Math is organized to help students develop deep understandings of the concepts and to support students to experience success, thus increasing students' motivation and fostering positive attitudes to mathematics. As I said, there are 10 modules in Paths to Math. 2 of the modules are still under construction. Let's look at the pre-algebra module. Each of the modules contains several chapters. In particular, pre-algebra has 4 chapters. And at the end of every chapter, there are 2 very important sections. The theory in a nutshell in every one of the modules contains the mathematical terms explaining the mathematics the kids are learning in that module. And as well as there is a table at the bottom of each one of the chapters in which the teachers can look at the correlations to the Common Core standards and the mathematical teaching practices. Also, all of our modules have paths, suggested paths, that teachers can use to differentiate the instruction in 3 different ways and 3 different levels. Besides these 2 features, there are in each one of the modules there are independent films for students. I say independent, but they can also be used by the teacher to teach a concept in the classroom. These films are actually very small, related to the topic, and as these visuals we see here, they're meant to appeal to the visual learners. And in this lesson is on adding and subtracting fractions. Our first example is 2. These films are present in all the chapters, and they have different topics related to it. Besides the films, the materials also contain sections where students can practice the mathematics on their own and getting immediate feedback as they do it, whether they get it right or whether they get it wrong. After 2 trials, the answer is given to them, and when they get the answer correctly, they receive positive feedback. Besides all of these, there are games in all of the chapters and in all of the modules, and these are mathematical games that can add some fun to the learning of mathematics at the same time that the kids are involved in something somewhat interesting and fun.